All right, gang, let's work on page 2 of 1.2 worksheet, use segments and congruence. The first part is algebra review. We are going to jump down to part 2, number 19. It says using segment addition, set up an equation that could be used to find the missing value of x. When looking at the diagram, you will circle the values that represent the parts of the segment and underline the value that represents the total length of the segment. So again, we are using segment addition. We have a couple things to do here. We need to circle the values that represent the parts and underline the values that represent the total length of the segment. Our goal is simply to set up an equation. We do not need to solve this. So for question number 19, the two parts are the x and the 2x divided up right here at m. And then the length of the whole segment is 18. So all we need to do is set up x plus 2x equal to 18. That's it. All done with that question. Take a second, pause your video, finish up those questions. Now we're going to work on question 23. It says using segment addition to find the value of and the indicated lengths, set up and solve. For this question, we do need to do both things. We will be setting up and we will be solving. So in this question, number 23, we have the two parts, the 2x plus 3 and the 3x minus 1. And we have the whole segment, 27. Our equation looks like this. 2x plus 3 plus 3x minus 1, and that equals 27. From there, we will solve this. So we have these two like terms, 2x and 3x, that makes 5x. And then we have plus 3 minus 1, they're both on the left side, so we will just add them the way they are. That makes positive 2. Still have 27 on the right. From there, we will minus 2 to both sides. We get 5x equals 25. And then from there, because this is multiplication, we will divide both sides by 5. When we do that, we end up with x equals 5. That is the number that goes right here. That is what x is. Then they ask us to find yz. Looking at the picture, y to z is the second part of the diagram. So we will just take our information here, 3x minus 1. In for the x, we will put our 5. So 3 times 5 minus 1. 15 minus 1 gives us a grand total of yz equal to 14. Now what I want you to do is pause your video, finish 24, and we'll move on to page 3 in the next video.